beautiful and very spacious living room space. So this is a beautiful kitchen, very beautiful, luxurious and spacious 4th bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in this video I am going to give you the sample tour of 4 BHK townhouse of Supreme Villaggio, which is located near Kasaragod Road, Somatne, Pune, and is developed by Supreme Universal. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which this is the entrance of the project that leads you to the sales office, and then in front of the entrance of the project is the Dehu Shirgaon Road, जो राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं हिंजावाड़ी से, और लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं ओल्ड मुंबई हाईवे से. Now, before I show you the sample 4 BHK townhouse, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project is constructed on 16 acre of land parcel, जिसमें आपको मिल जाता है 60 plus units of 4 BHK townhouses, जिसमें है ground plus 2 floors. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. But before I tell you about that, let us check out the sales office of Supreme Villaggio. So, this project is located near Kasaragod Road, Somatne, Pune, जिसमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे, which is 1 kilometer away, बेगरेवाड़ी स्टेशन, which is 3.2 kilometers away, and गाहुंजे रोड, which is 4.7 kilometers away. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं amenities के बारे में. This project has over 50 plus luxurious amenities such as a very grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, jungle gym, jogging track, sit out area and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing in front of a 4 BHK townhouse. Now come, let's check out the entrance of a 4 BHK townhouse. So this is our entrance, and this 4 BHK townhouse has 3,400 square feet carpet area. So just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock for your door for security purposes, and then this is your huge entrances lobby where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is a beautiful and very spacious living room space where this is where you get your couch set up, and this is where you get your TV unit set up. You also get an attached garden with it just outside here. So this is a beautiful space for garden. Which is just outside your living room space. You get a lot of walking space here. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now, let us check out the kitchen of this townhouse. So this is a beautiful kitchen where you get 2 granite platforms parallel to each other. You also get a sink attached to it, and this is where you get your fridge space. You also get a dry balcony attached to it where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Now, let us check out the first bedroom of this flat. Let me also mention about this is a provision for lift where you might get your lift space, and then you also get a common washroom here which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let us check out the first bedroom of this townhouse. So this is a beautiful and very spacious first bedroom of this townhouse, which has, this is where you get your bed setup space, and this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. You also get a window attached with it for ventilation and natural lighting, and an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now everyone, let us check out the second bedroom of this townhouse. So this is a very spacious and beautiful second bedroom of this townhouse, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get a lot of walking space here, and this is where you get a lot of walk-in wardrobe space and an attached washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and shower glass partition. You also get designer vitrified tiles. With this bedroom, you also get an attached balcony, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and a 3-side cover. Now let us check out the third bedroom of this townhouse. So this is a very spacious and beautiful third bedroom of this townhouse, which this is where you get your bed setup space, and then you also get an attached window with it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you also get an attached washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. And you also get a lot of wardrobe setup space here. Now, before I show you the fourth bedroom of this townhouse, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today. Now everyone, let us check out the fourth bedroom. So this is a very beautiful, luxurious and spacious fourth bedroom. But this is where you get your bed setup space. You get a lot of walking space there and here too. And you also get a lot of walk-in wardrobe space here. With an attached washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. And that is not all. You also get an attached balcony here, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. This is not where it ends. Let us also check out the terrace of this townhouse. So this is a very peaceful and spacious terrace of our townhouse. That shows you the entire view of the project itself and a lot of greenery view here. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK townhouse of Supreme Villaggio, which is located near Kasarside Road, Sumatne, Pune, and is developed by Supreme Universal. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.